When you're ready. When you're ready. So make sure you finish your move. Remember, all the way up, contract your glutes. Shoulders down and back. There we go. Slowly come down without crashing on your chair. Same thing when you stand up, slow. There we go. And slowly come down. Another thing, keep your knees open above your ankles. Yeah. That's it. How many more? 2. Okay. One more time. Good. And release and move. Let's go behind your chair, downward facing dog. So move your dog right here. So lift one heel at a time off the floor. Bend one knee at a time. Bend both knees and walk closer to your chair. Nice and tall. In mountain pose. So open your arms, open your legs. Shoulders are down and back. Just go back to your breath. You can even contract your glutes to open more the front of the hips. Good. And let's go on the right side of your chair. We're going to do a crescent lunge. Right leg in front. I'm going to be right on my tippy toes. But if it's too uncomfortable for you, too hard, keep your heel down for warrior one instead. Okay? Then I'm going to bend my knee above my ankle. Lift the heart. And slowly bring your right arm up. So fix something somewhere is going to help. Relax your jaw. You just need to go back to your breath. Yeah. Some of you can bring both arms up. Please listen to yourself. I want you to stay on your feet. You really need to respect yourself. Release your arm. Push forward and march right away. There we go. And let's switch. Left leg in front. Stay on the ball of your foot or tippy toes. Lift the heart. Slowly. Left arm up. Make sure your shoulder is away from your ear again. Yeah. Are you breathing? Fix something. Yeah. Go up. Move slowly. That's it. Slowly release. Grab your chair. Push forward and march. Beautiful. Let's go behind your chair. Do you know where are your glutes? That's a big muscle, okay? Well, for some they are small and for others it's bigger. Okay, we're going to slide the foot straight back, right foot, okay? And then we're going to come back, same thing. It can be a challenge for balance. Depends how many fingers you have on your chair. There we go. You can keep one for safety. Some of you don't need any. Some of you are pretty strong. Some of you need more support. That's okay. That's it. So when you point back, do you feel a contraction in your glutes? Do you feel a little bit your lower back? Yeah. One more time. Good. Do you feel the opposite hip? Then sit out. Come on, Jimmy. Yeehaw! Okay. And switch your legs. Again, nice and tall. Go straight back. See, I'm sliding my foot to go straight back. what I see a lot is people going diagonal. And I know right away I need to focus more on their glutes here, okay? Go straight back. And then you're going to contract a little bit more your glutes. There we go. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Super easy, but super good. Okay, we're going to go for one more. Again, feel the work. Good. And release and move your hips. Let's go back to downward facing dog. Listen to your shoulders. Press both heels right here on the earth. Bend your knees a lot again. Come back closer to your chair. Open arms and legs. Mountain pose. This is just to do the counter stretch. And it's easy to breathe as well when we are nice and tall. Okay, let's go back. While you want this time, we're going to keep the left leg in front. Just to mix you up, just to see if you're awake. Okay, Pat, switch your legs, please. Yeah, so the closest leg to the chair. Voila. Okay. Yeah, it's my right, but it's your left. Okay. So while you want, hips are square. So push the left hip back and then bend the knee above your ankle. Yeah. And then we're going to slowly reach. I want everyone to support themselves on the chair. I'm going to bring something else. Are you breathing? Can we go? Are you supporting yourself? Yeah. Go left. You feel it? Can you relax your shoulders? Yeah. Slowly come back to neutral. Release your arm. Push forward and march right away. Good. The other side, same thing. What leg are you going to bring in front? You got it right. Okay. Same thing here. Keep the heel on the floor. We're going to keep the hip square. When you're ready, slowly bring your left arm up and drop the shoulder. Can you sit lower? Feel the stretch maybe in your calf here. Okay. Now let's go to the chair, to the right. Feel the stronger stretch right here. That's your hip flexors. Yeah. Inhale, slowly release your arm. Exhale, push forward to march. Can we go back again behind your chair? This time I'm going to slide my right foot. I'm going to bend my knee and extend. Bend, extend the knee. Now put your right hand right here, just at the bottom, and I want you to feel a contraction. So contract even more. There we go. Just extend your leg. Yeah. Inhale, exhale. Do you feel it? Can I go and check? Jim is going to say, oui, 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 oui. One more time. Good. And release. You're welcome again to move your hips. And then let's switch. Nice and tall. Slide your left foot straight back. Bend your knee. Extend. Good. Again, very easy exercise. That's something you can do home. There we go. Yep. And 2. Beautiful. Yep. One more. Good. And release and move your hips. So let's open your legs more. We're going to do the hula hoop. That's it. Some of you don't need support. And just feel what's going on in your body when you do that. I feel my hips. I feel my inner thighs as well stretching. And reverse, nice and slow. Are you in a rush? It's Friday, every day for you. Good, and release. Bring your feet closer to each other. Beautiful. Can we go back to downward facing dog? This time, I'm going to keep one knee bent to stretch the back of the legs. Feet are parallel to each other. You're going to bend the right knee to push your left hip back. Breathe into it. Do you feel it? Oh, yes, she said. Bend both knees to release. Inhale. Exhale to switch. Anytime you need a break, just bend your knees. I feel it. More in my left than my right. Bend your knees to release. Walk again closer to your chair. One more time. Yep. Mountain pose. That's it. And release. Let's go back seated. Let's have water. Okay, let's extend your legs. Come forward on your chair as well. I'd like we can stretch your hips. And you're going to cross your right leg over. I want to see your knee out. Yep, your ankle. And then lower or higher than your knee. If you can, full expression. Good. And you're welcome to close your eyes and just focus on your breath. And we're going to slowly lengthen the leg to let go the right. And then let's switch it up. Again, choose your own option. Both legs are different. Good. Again, relax your shoulders. Try to lift the heart. And go back to your breath. And slowly lengthen your right leg to release. Let's do your triceps. So brush your hair, touch your upper back, and try to bring your elbow up. So keep your elbow close to your head. So option one is here when you press underneath your elbow, or right here, option two. That's okay. That's it. Are you breathing? Good. And let's release. Rotate your shoulder. How many arms? Let's switch. So try to slide your hands between your shoulder blades. Yep. I think I'm going to need to wake up someone before leaving. And release, rotate your shoulder. Here we go. Let's bring your right foot on in the chair. I want you to stretch your Achilles and open your arms. What about your neck? Yeah, bring it in, double chin. And then you need to breathe. So make sure your shoulders are down, squeeze towards the back. And release your arms, release your leg, and let's switch. Again, don't go too far. You won't be able to press your heel down on the floor. So some of you are too far back. Bring your foot forward a little bit. Yeah, and then press. And let's open your arms right here in cactus. There we go. And let's inhale up. Exhale, palms down. And again, up and down. One more time. Exhale in front of your good heart. The spirit in me honors the spirit in you. Namaste. Beautiful.